Hi everyone, it's Stephanie again, and I'm here with another unboxing video. This one is the July 2018 Tonic Craft Kit number 11, and this month's theme is all about Christmas. This is the holiday in July. I guess you could say it's Christmas in July at Tonic this year. And I have this month's box ready to show you. There is a surprise gift inside, but I will not be showing it, and you'll have to look in your own kit for your surprise as well. So reminder, in every kit you always get a sheet of what's included in the kit. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the goodies first because those are my favorite part of any kit. So in this kit we get two mini Nuvo Crystal Drop sample bottles. We have Olive Branch, and we also have Holiday Cheer. Now I know the bottle looks like purple-ish, but the color that comes out of it is a very deep red-ish color. And if you will stay tuned for my next video on cards being created with these, I'll show you exactly how they look like on paper. Next we get two sample pastes from Nuvo. This is their Nuvo glitter paste. The name of this one is Seaweed Quartz, and it's very glittery and it's very shiny. And if there's something you need to know, I like shiny things and I like pretty things. And then this one is their Nuvo Embellishment Mousse, and this one is, I believe, aloe vera. Now when you get these, it's very nice of Nuvo to give you small sample bottles. So if you do like them, you are able to purchase the full-size bottle off their website. If you're in the UK, please make sure you click on the UK link. If you are in the United States, please click on the United States link. So we have Seaweed Quartz and we have aloe vera here. We get two bottles of that match very well together. This is the Prickly Pear Pure Sheen Glitter, and we also have the Prickly Pear Pure Sheen Sequence. So these two will pair very nicely together on a card as well. And trust me, their glitter and their sequins go a very long way in there. You don't have to use a lot. It'll last you for a very long time. Also included, you get one of 3 pens. This is from their Aqua Flow line, and this one is Matador Red. And really it works as a water brush. You take off the yellow clip on here and then you squeeze it a few times and then out flows the ink that is in here. Now there are 2 other colors in this set, but they have sent, you will only get 1 in your kit. Stamp set and die kit. So in this kit we get the following. Now remember, everything is holiday themed. So in our stamp set we get these beautiful flowy, all of these flowy type stamps. We have this one that has holiday leaves on there, and then we have the matching edge, I could say, for that one, and we get 2 on there. We have some snowflakes in there, and we also have a stamp that says Winter Wishes on there. And then in our die kit we also have these beautiful patterns in here. We have a bell, we also have some mistletoe and some berries in there, and we also get these beautiful inlaid dies right here that will cut only what's in the middle and not what is on the edge. Also, it also comes with coordinating edge dies on there so that you actually can cut out, make waves and everything on there as well. And then we also get this pretty leaf one, and then we have one that is a snowflake. And I look forward to showing these to you in my next video when we do our cards. Now, I'm going to put these aside so we can show you the papers for this. Now, I have not opened this. I'm in the middle of moving, as I've mentioned before. So everything is all packed up nice and neat. So I am trying to conserve how much craft supplies I have out. But as soon as I'm moved and settled, we will be getting all of this situated. So, nothing else in this. So in this kit, we have the following cards. This is Brick Red. This is one of their weave texture cards. We also get 2 specialty papers. This is Red Berries, and it's a very, now these are embossed, but it's flat enough where it gives enough raised dimension on there, and you get 2 sheets of those. We also get 3 sheets of the evergreen fur, and you can see that beautiful pattern on there. It just shimmers and goes with the light, and it's just too pretty. I don't think the camera does it very much justice. Then we have Rusted Crimson, and this is a pearlescent paper. And then we also have the olive green texture weave card stock right here. Please be aware that these papers are not a standard size 8.5 by 11. These are A5 size cards, which is the metric size cards over there. And that does it for the 2018 Tonic Craft Kit number 11. Remember, this is holiday theme, and I want to go over the contents one more time so you can see them again. So we have our lovely papers here. I'm going to fan them out right here. So we have Brick Red. We have red berries, 2 sheets of red berries, 3 sheets of evergreen fir. We have 1 pearlescent rusted crimson cardstock, and then we have 1 that is olive green on here. We have a folder, we have our common die kit folder and stamp set, and we get these 2 beautiful snowflakes and bell inlay dies and edge dies on there as well. And our stamp set that has these on here, leaves and the berries and winter wishes. We have 2 Nouveau Crystal Drop bottles. We have olive branch, and we also have holiday cheer. We get 2 bottles of prickly pear pure sheen glitter, and we have their pure sheen sequins as well. We have 2 bottles of, or 1 bottle of their Nouveau Glimmer Paste. This is seaweed quartz. And then we have 1 sample bottle of their Nouveau Embellishment Mousse, and this is aloe vera. And then also we get 1 color of their Aqua Flow pen. Please note that your pen may or may not be different in your kit. This one is Matador Red number 915. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and I'll see you in the next video for our card making from this kit. Thanks for watching. Have a great night, everybody, and don't forget to be creative. Bye, everyone.